The sword is a weapon as exclusive to culture as Odin is to mythology. No matter where you go or however far you look, eventually you will find some variation of the sword. For better, for worse, or for downright clownish behaviour. The sword excels, put simply, due to its simplicity. Easy to use, easy to make, easy to carry. Before we go any further, be sure to comment, like, subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Our goal for this year is to reach 2,000 subscribers. Let's make it happen. We've spoken before about the Dao sword and how the use of the sword overshadowed the use of the Jian as time went on, due to its greater application on horseback, as well as its overall ability with wide sweeping movements. As you might expect, the sword was expensive, with the cost of the materials alone meaning that Li the farmer could not very well have one of decent quality.
There's a million Lees.
With it being an object of the higher classes until about the Su dynasty. So why pay so much for a weapon without actually knowing how to use it? Today we continue to look at this symbolic steel saber by taking a look at another form for the Chinese broadsword. As today we take a look at a form which not only emphasizes striking but also wide sweeping attacks. As today we take a look at Wudang Quan Gong Dao. And that is Wudang Quan Gong Dao. And while it is true that the sword is not as necessary or as essential in modern life as it was many years ago, the practices and the principles of the sword are still as important now as they were centuries ago, as I hope demonstrated through this form. Next time we'll be upping the ante as we take a look not only at one sword but at two, as we take a look at Xuan Dao. But until then, thank you all for watching, and until next time, peace be with you.